2 AC quotes, one Carrier, one Goodman. The price gap between them is big enough to fund a family vacation. So are you buying guaranteed junk if you go with the cheaper Goodman, or are you just getting ripped off by Carrier's premium brand name? Here is the truth. One of these units comes with a massive hidden advantage that installers almost never mention. Let me explain exactly which one actually makes sense for your money. Energy efficiency and SEER 2 ratings. Efficiency is where the long-term math gets interesting. The industry measures efficiency using SEER 2 ratings. Think of it like miles per gallon for your house. Carrier offers some of the absolute highest efficiency ratings on the entire market. Their top-tier models can push well past 24 SEER 2. That extreme efficiency translates directly to maximum energy savings and significantly lower monthly utility bills over the entire lifespan of the system. If you live in a climate where your air conditioner runs 9 months out of the year, that premium efficiency eventually pays for itself. Goodman plays a completely different game. While they do offer a handful of high-efficiency models, the vast bulk of their lineup focuses heavily on standard efficiency units. They meet all the modern baseline federal regulations. They will cool your house perfectly fine, but their standard units simply will not save you as much on monthly electricity as a premium Carrier. The choice here comes down to a simple calculation. Do you want to pay more today to save a little every single month, or do you want to save thousands of dollars today and accept a slightly higher electric bill? Technology and comfort features. This category is where the premium price of a Carrier starts to make a massive amount of sense. Carrier essentially invented modern air conditioning, and they are still the leading pioneers in residential technology. Their advanced systems utilize highly sophisticated variable speed compressors and proprietary communication systems. Let me explain how that actually feels when you're sitting on your couch. A standard air conditioner just turns on at full blast, pumps cold air until the thermostat clicks, and then turns off. A variable speed Carrier acts much more like the gas pedal in your car. It makes constant micro adjustments based on the exact needs of the room. It might run at 20% capacity for an hour, then smoothly ramp up to 40% when the afternoon sun hits the window. It keeps the temperature perfectly stable without ever shutting off completely. Goodman focuses on straightforward, reliable cooling without the extra features. They rely heavily on traditional single-stage or two-stage compressors. You get slightly less precise temperature control. You might notice a small temperature swing in the room before the unit decides to kick back on. But there is a massive upside to Goodman using this older standard technology. The parts are incredibly easy and cheap to service. Any licensed technician in the country can fix a Goodman system using generic parts they already carry in the back of their van. Warranty coverage. Warranties are the hidden battleground of the heating and cooling industry. It is the one piece of paper that dictates your peace of mind for the next decade. Carrier offers a standard 10-year parts warranty, provided you register the unit on time, but they are incredibly strict about the rules surrounding that paper. They generally require professional installation by a factory-authorized dealer to keep that warranty completely valid. Goodman has a massive secret weapon here. They are known for offering industry-leading warranty protection. They know they are perceived as the budget brand, so they overcompensate by backing their products exceptionally well. Alongside a standard 10-year parts warranty, many of their premium models include a lifetime compressor limited warranty. Even better, they offer a 10-year unit replacement warranty on certain specific models. Operating sound levels. You do not realize how important sound is until you are trying to enjoy a quiet evening on your back patio sitting next to a roaring metal box. Carrier units are engineered from the ground up for exceptionally quiet operation. Their high-end models feature heavy internal sound blankets, specially isolated compressor mounts that absorb vibration, and highly aerodynamic fan designs. This allows them to operate at incredibly low decibel levels, often dropping down into the low 50s. You can literally stand right next to a top-tier Carrier unit while it is running and have a completely normal conversation without raising your voice. Goodman is generally louder during operation. They are not overwhelmingly noisy, and they're almost certainly quieter than whatever 20-year-old unit you might be replacing right now, but their standard models lack the advanced sound dampening materials and heavy cabinet construction found in the premium brands. You will definitely hear a Goodman unit kick on when you are outside. If your exterior unit is located right next to a master bedroom window or right next to your primary patio seating area, that extra mechanical noise is a major factor you need to seriously consider. Build quality and lifespan. Let us talk about how long these machines actually stay alive in the elements. Carrier uses heavy-gauge galvanized steel cabinets, specialized factory coil coatings to aggressively prevent internal corrosion, and rigorous testing protocols before a unit ever leaves the assembly line. They intentionally overbuild their premium units. With proper annual maintenance and regular indoor filter changes, a Carrier unit can comfortably last 15 to 20 years, and sometimes even longer in milder climates. You are directly paying for that longevity up front. Goodman uses slightly thinner gauge metals for their outer protective cabinets and relies on more standard industry coil designs. They are highly reliable machines, but the overall structural lifespan is typically viewed by professionals as slightly shorter. A perfectly maintained Goodman system will usually average 12 to 15 years of service before the major internal components start showing significant wear and tear that requires replacement. You get a few less years out of the machine on the back end, but you also paid significantly less money to put it there in the first place. Price and initial investment. Let us start with the most obvious factor in the room, the actual cost to get the unit sitting in your yard. Carrier is positioned unapologetically at the absolute top of the market. When you buy a Carrier system, you are buying into a premium ecosystem. You pay a significantly higher upfront cost for the equipment itself, but the expense goes deeper than just the metal box. Carrier tightly controls who is allowed to install their equipment. You generally have to use their authorized dealer network. These specialized dealers have extensive training, and they charge a premium for their labor. Goodman takes the exact opposite approach. They are the undeniable king of the budget-friendly heating and cooling world. Their entire business model is built around accessibility. The initial purchase price of a Goodman unit is notably lower right out of the gate. They also sell their equipment to a much wider range of independent contractors. This open market approach means you can aggressively shop around for the best installation price. You find a highly rated local installer who works for a fair rate, keeping your immediate out-of-pocket costs down to an absolute minimum. So who wins? The final choice between Carrier and Goodman is not about which brand is objectively better than the other. It is strictly about what kind of homeowner you are and what your immediate financial reality looks like. If you plan to stay in your current house for the next 20 years, if you live in a harsh climate with brutal summers, and if you demand the absolute highest level of quiet, customized comfort, you should invest the money in a Carrier. But if you are flipping a house, if you plan to move to a new city in 5 years, or if you simply refuse to take on heavy debt just to cool your living room, Goodman is the smartest financial choice you can make today.